Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to install the Advanced Fuel Dynamics FlexFuel sensor. This is a Mustang that we're installing one of our FlexFuel systems on, and we're going to use it as a demonstration to show you what a game changer this is going to be for the market. Having our restrictionless FlexFuel sensor with all the right fittings, so we don't need any adapters. And it doesn't take up that much space. So on these Mustangs, we have these this locking connector. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unlock it. Try and keep it so you can see. There we go. All right, now this car was running not that long ago, so disconnected the connector. Obviously, it's going to have some fuel in it, so pull this off and get a little bit of fuel out. Here's our sensor right here. So we are going to go ahead, oh, there goes the fuel. Clip it in, clip our fuel line right onto the sensor, and we are done. That is it. There are no adapters needed, no fuel lines need to be replaced. The sensor is literally adding about 0.9 of an inch to that line, so it's not kinking it in any way or putting it in a bad position. It can be rotated to any orientation. Also, the direction doesn't matter, so it could be installed the other way for the connector facing the other direction. And the connector, we have a plug-and-play adapter to use the GM style connector, if that's what you have on your harness. So there's our example of the Advanced Fuel Dynamics restrictionless FlexFuel sensor.